Hi everyone. So in the previous video we actually created a virtual machine and I name it as VM2. So now I am going to set it up with the help of operating system. So first we need to select the VM, which I already did, and I'm going to this CD DVD and select it by double clicking, and so I'll be selecting this option, use ISO image file. And earlier I actually selected the software which was under my downloads. So right now I'm just selecting this option, and then okay. Next one is options. Here it's Microsoft Windows. Here the changes I need to make is I'll go to advanced and we'll change this option to BIOS. Why we are doing it? Because selecting BIOS will avoid us to select each and every step manually, which will consume a lot of time. So to avoid that, we'll be selecting BIOS and then okay. So now that's done. Now we will go to power on this virtual machine. So it's starting up. It will take few minutes to complete that process. Yeah, it's done now. So here we can choose the language. So I'm going with English, then next, and install now. I'm selecting the last option, which is Windows Server 2019 Data Center Evaluation. Why we are selecting that is because this option will give us a similar experience as MS Azure. And then next, I'm accepting all the license terms. Next, here I'm going with the custom, and next. So yes, this will take few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes. So let it complete doing all the installation and I'll be coming back. So the whole installing process has been completed. So now I'm gonna uh, put a password. And finish. So yes, this is the screen. So here it says press Ctrl or Delete to unlock. Well, that will basically lead us to the task manager. So we should be going here and then type in the password. So this is the screen. Here, if we click here, see we'll have some functions or folders which we can access. So now I'm gonna go to the command prompt to look the IP address. CMD and if we type in IP config and enter, we will be able to see IPv4 address and IPv6 address. And if we want to change the IP address of the virtual machine, we can actually use ncpa.cpl and enter, and that will navigate us to Ethernet. Here, double click and then go to properties and then internet protocol. Here double click, and if we choose this option here, we will be able to change the IP address. That will, for example, we'll get a subnet mask number, and okay, close this and again type in IP config and enter. Then we'll be able to see the new IPv4 address along with the new subnet mask address. So that's all about setting up the virtual machine in VMware Workstation. I hope you like the video. Thank you.